So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you guys are doing extremely well. So today, as you can see from the title, that I'll be reviewing 2024 Corolla and I'll be telling you few untold facts about it. So it's my friend's car, and I believe you must have seen the short video which I uploaded before this video, kind of a teaser. So it's my friend's car, and right now I'm gonna ask him to remote start it, because when he bought it he used to have some problems remote starting it, like from the remote. Although from the app, that also I will show you. He can just send a command to the app, and then he can just start his car. So can you start your car?
Of course.
All right, let's go. Okay, awesome. It did start now. So what is the starting procedure?
Click the button twice, then hold it for the third time. That's it.
So that's how you start the car. And if you have the remote on in your hand, so you just need to press this. It will lock or unlock. It's unlocked now. So let's go into the car. Alright, so I'm in the car, and that's how the car looks like from the inside. Although the car was started, so it also asks to press the pedal, brake pedal, and then still press the start button. This is the SE model, and this is the storage capacity. I have intentionally put the bottles over here just to show you guys how things are going inside the storage here. It also has the electronic parking brake and this electronic hold. This goes forward and backwards according to your comfort level. You get two storage cup holders here. You can select driving mode from here. So here you get normal, sports, and eco. You just need to push it that way, so you go to normal. From normal to eco, you go there. Only one thing that I don't like in this car is no sunroof. Come on, Toyota. 2024. You guys are still lacking behind the features. It's SE model, just the second last from the top model, and still no sunroof. So this is the front defroster and the rear defroster. So the rear defroster button also helps you heat up the side mirrors as well. Yeah, and it also has additional shade towards it, as you can say. These are yes, one good thing is that the LEDs are white. Unlike my car, it has yellow for some reason. And another good thing, it has wireless CarPlay, which is good, but not the best, because I've seen my friend quite a few times getting frustrated on the CarPlay not getting connected, and then he has to go reset it, forget the device, and then connect it again and again. So that is quite frustrating sometimes. When you are spending so much of money, you expect the features to be a little bit good and seamless, of course. So this is how the screen looks like. Quite good. Doesn't give you so much of lag as well. The sound system is good as well. I don't know if I can play songs. Let me see if I can. So these seats, the design that you are watching it over here, the Toyota also claims it that it's a sporty design, and this is how the back looks. Let me go to the back and then show you how much space you have. So this is how the space looks like. It's quite good, although I'm not 6 feet tall, but it's quite good. One more good thing, that it also has armrest for the back passengers, which is very good. Also 2 cup holder space. I'm gonna open the boot with the keys. I'll press it for a long press and then it opens. Like, I would say very big storage for the boot area. Talking about the front of the car, it has grill in this area, and this area is all the sensor for the front, and then it also has this camera over here in the front. This is the company fitted alloy, not the tires. Tires are the winter tires for, because obviously Canada. So now what I was talking about, the Toyota app to start the car and everything, it's pretty good. Now I'm just gonna ask my friend to start the car from the phone from the app. So that's how he's gonna be starting his car now. Alright, so go ahead, start your car.
Hey Siri, start my car.
Okay, done. Command executed to start the vehicle.
Okay, there you go. Alright, the car is started. It will blink a little bit and then good to go.